So I'm going to show you how to do box joints or finger joints. You're going to take your four sides, put an X on each piece, and then we'll take it to our box joint router jig. Side with the X, put it against your stop. Once your first side's done, you take your board and just flip, and then start over again on the other side. The X will still be facing the same way. Now we'll repeat the process on the second piece, doing the same thing, the X facing to the right. Now once you're done with your second side, you will take this X and flip it to the left, put it over your notch, take your third piece, X, pointing towards the other X, and do your first cut, and then we'll flip it and do the first cut on the other end, and we'll repeat that on the other piece. Now we have our notches cut, we can continue doing the rest. And now we'll put them together. And there you have it, guys. Fits like a glove. I hope this video helped. Let me know in the comments. Thanks again for watching.